Hi and welcome to Graphic Insights. Today we're diving into the very profitable space of sticker making and discussing the top 3 budget-friendly eco-solvent printers in 2024 that are easy on your wallet. Ready to find out which printers made the cut? Let's dive in. All the printers discussed today print with EcoSol ink. The reason for this choice of printer and ink type is that EcoSol printing has been around for a while, so there are a wide range of medias available. EcoSol ink and compatible media are outdoor durable for 3 to 5 years under normal climate conditions, and this ink and media combination is more scratch resistant than other types. As always, any pricing mentioned in this video is at the time of recording, may or may not contain promotional pricing. It's best to get a quote from your local dealer for a current up-to-date pricing. First up is the Roland BN220A. This compact powerhouse offers fast print speeds, convenient features, ease of use, and space-saving design that allows for placement in a home, office, or shop. The BN2 is everything you need to get started in a professional print and cut graphics production. The Roland B220A prints CMYK colors from 220 EcoSol Max 2 ink cartridges at speeds of 25 square foot per hour. This powerful compact printer cutter all-in-one can print and cut images up to 18.9 inches wide at photographic resolutions up to 1440 dpi on a wide variety of medias and contour cut them out as well. Roland VersaWorks 6 RIP software and Flexi Designer VersaStudio Edition design software are included with the BN220. The easy drag and drop interface allows you to quickly add jobs to the print queue. The Roland B220A measures 42 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 24 inches high, and weighs 137 pounds. It plugs into a standard 110 volt outlet. Roland also offers an alternative edition that prints CMYK plus white. It's the BN220, allowing you to print on clear vinyl. The BN220A comes with a 1-year trouble-free warranty and has a list price of $64.95. If you're interested in the white ink option, the BN220 lists for $72.95. If you're looking something a little more budget-friendly, Roland still offers the previous version, the BN20A at $52.95 and the BN20 for $67.95. Next, we have the Mutoh ValueJet VJ628. This is a fast, compact 24-inch EcoSol printer that is a perfect size to easily fit into any space. The VJ628 is offered in a CMYK light cyan, light magenta, or dual CMYK ink set. The light cyan and light magenta ink set not only expand the color gamut on the Mutoh, but offer better halftones and gradients. Ink comes in 220 or 440 milliliter cartridges. The VJ628 is capable of printing images up to 24 inches wide at resolutions up to 1440 dpi on a wide variety of medias. The VJ628 comes with a Vertilith RIP software as well as Flexi Designer Mutoh Edition 21 software, allowing you an all-inclusive design and print solution. The dual CMYK ink set on the VJ628 will allow for printing up to 433 square feet per hour. There are larger production printers that don't reach those speeds. You will need to choose your ink configuration at the time of setup, and once you set it, you cannot swap back and forth. The dimensions of the printer are 47 wide by 23 deep by 15 high, and it weighs 70 pounds. The VJ628 plugs into a standard 110 volt, and it offers an optional stand for $300. The VJ628 comes with a 1-year warranty. The Mutoh VJ628 has a list price of $64.95. It does not come with a cutter, but it can be paired with a Mutoh ValueCut 2 30-inch cutter for $24.95 or a Graphtec CE7060 24-inch cutter for a print cut workflow. This setup would take up more room, but still fit in a small space in a spare room, basement, or garage. The next and final printer is the Mimaki CJV150-75. Although not as compact as the previous two printers, its price tag has it competing in the same space. The CJ150-75 is a highly versatile print cut device capable of producing stickers. The Mimaki CJV150 is offered in a 6-color EcoSol ink configuration of CMYK light cyan light magenta. Mimaki does offer a solvent-based ink option with CMYK light cyan light magenta, silver, white, orange, and light black. Only comes in 440 milliliter cartridges with print resolutions up to 1440 dpi. The CJV150 comes with Rasterlink 7 RIP software. This software allows you to panel, crop, rotate, resize files, and more before sending them to the printer. You will need a design software like CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, or Affinity Designer to create your artwork in. The CJV150 has a print width of 29.5 inches on standard 30-inch media, but can print up to 31.5 inches on a max media width of 31.9 inches. According to Mimaki, you can expect speeds up to 432 square foot per hour in 4-color mode. The CJV150 printer has dimensions of 77 wide by 28 deep by 55 high. The added height comes from the included stand and take-up reel. This list of printers gives you great options for making stickers. The Roland printer cutter offers the smallest footprint and lowest cost of entry for an all-in-one machine. The BN220 also offers Flexi Designer Versa Studio Edition design software. Roland also offers the white ink BN220 edition printer. Don't forget, if you want to save some money, the first generation BN20A printer cutter is still available at a savings of $1,200. The Mutoh printer offers a good balance of price, speed, and size. It also comes with design and rip software, but does not come with a cutter. Even after adding a cutter, you could still be under the $9,000 range and end up with a more efficient workflow at a sacrifice of some space. The Mimaki is the most expensive and largest printer out of all three of them. It also offers a print cut all-in-one, optional ink sets, and an included stand and take-up reel. Although these printers are listed as budget printers, all three are capable of handling additional workloads and growing with your business. This will be a series, and I will be covering DTF, apparel, dye sublimation, and more, so make sure you subscribe and click that notification so you know when I release new videos. If you're interested in the differences and benefits of a print and cut or print and cut workflow, then check out this video. Thanks for watching.